welcome to another lesson from Dominic Fike's new album, What Could Possibly Go Wrong. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Cancel Me. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So for the first part of the song, you're going to place your pointer finger on the 8th fret of the B string and your pinky finger on the 11th fret of the high E string, and you're going to strum that once. Then you're going to place your middle finger on the 11th fret of the B string and your pointer finger on the 10th fret of the high E string, and you're going to pluck that once, or strum that once. Then you're going to pluck the B string once. Then you're going to strum the high E and B again. Then you're going to slide that chord down 2 frets, and you're going to strum one more time. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the other part you need to know is made up of 3 chords, the first of which is an E flat major chord. So you're going to bar the 11th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 13th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 13th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 12th fret of the G string. Next is a G major chord. So you're going to bar the 10th fret with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 12th fret with your ring finger. And then last is an A flat major chord. So you're just going to take the G major chord and slide it up 1 fret. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Cancel Me. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.